Good morning, YouTube family.
Good morning.
We hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today is Leon and I's 7th year anniversary, and we are so excited today. We wanted to share some of our moments with you. I am going to go back in the past a little bit and make a little slideshow of when Leon and I were dating and when we got engaged, got married, our first house, our second house, and so forth. And through everything that Leon and I have been through in the last 7 years, we've been actually together for 8, but in the last 7 years, what we've been through, it's been difficult, but God has pulled us through each situation and is how we
got to where we are today.
Yes, God has been so good to us, and we thank Him and give Him all the praise and the glory. Let's go do a little bit of shopping and see what they have in the stores today. So our first stop is going to be the Academy. So what are you looking for?
A crossbow target to be able to shoot my crossbow and set my scope.
A crossbow target. Okay. Leon and I always go our separate ways when we come in to Target. So I like to come on this side. So moving right along, I'm just kind of browsing. I'm thinking about these shirts. I'm not sure. I'll just put them in my buggy because I like them. This is 50% off of swimwear. Totally changed my mind on everything. I'm gonna get these, and I'm gonna show you when I get home. Okay, so I'm kind of trying to move out of the clothes. It's kind of hard, but I'm moving out of the clothes. So here's the shoes and the backpacks, the children's clothes right here, and I do see 50% off. Clearance racks. Let's see. There's the here's the kitchen aisle. Outdoor cooking. Barbecue. Oh, and here's the seasoning. Old fashioned. This right here is not bad for pepper. Here's the pool section. Let's see what they have. Oh, so cute. That's nice right there. I can't have anything like that because the spiders like it. Chlorine tablets. Okay, so all they had was the big old large chlorine tablets for like $100 and something. So I'm in the camping section right now, and it's looking a little empty. Oh. I'm gonna turn you around. What you got?
A Target bag.
You got a Target bag. Did you look at the boom booms? So there's a lot of empty shelves, you guys. The clothes, there's plenty of clothes. This is what we need for our yard, because there was an old city on our yard years ago, and we keep finding things. So we need a metal detector, huh?
Thinking about Quicksilver. Not today.
Yeah. We're not getting one today, but we are eventually going to get one. I wanted to go over here and look at something that I saw. Another 50% off rack. There's two more right here, so I'm going to look on here. So here's the small. This looks like the jogging pants. So we're leaving the academy right now, and they did have a lot of empty shelves in certain areas. The clothes were plentiful, but it's like they pulled out their winter clothes, and usually I don't see winter clothes on sale at this time of the year. But I'm very thankful that they did, because there's some sweatshirts in there that I've been wanting, just the traditional sweatshirts, not the crop. And I was able to get some at a good discount. So we're going to show you the items that we got when we get home. So we just want to bring a very important point up, not to put a damper on today, but you do have to be careful when you go out shopping and things like that, because things are getting a little bad. We had a friend, well, matter of fact, it was E-Man, that he has a YouTube channel, that he was riding down the road and the other day, and somebody tried to hijack his vehicle and break in. And when they couldn't get in his vehicle, they went to another vehicle, and then finally found a vehicle that
in
they
a
could
quarter
get
mile,
into,
turn right onto Gulf South Drive,
and broke into an older lady's vehicle, beat her up, and of course Walker Gator Man, E-Man, got out of his vehicle and detained the gentleman until the cops came. We have our GPS on. We're on our way to a flea market. But when Leon and I go into a store, we're always looking about at an escape route. We always try to
your destination is on the right.
think about any situation and how we would be prepared in the situation. So we are being safe, and we do have our doors locked when we're riding down the road, go to the gas station, things like that. You just have to be aware, and you have to be prepared. Okay, so the flea market was closed, and we just looked online, and Leon hasn't been to any pawn shops, so we're going to go to this Capital Pawn right here. Y'all know I'm coming to the movies. Leon's looking at this right here. This, this. Look what I got. Yay! Leon's also looking at this drill press. These are things he's been wanting. To do projects. It makes it a whole lot easier. We did get some goodies from the pawn shop. We're going to show y'all, and now we're going to eat, and we think we're going to eat at Logan's, but we're not sure. We'll let you know. So it's Logan's Roadhouse. That's where we're going. I'm gonna show it to y'all. This is what Leon got. Tell him what it is.
Barbecue ribs, French fries, and some coleslaw.
Let me turn the camera around. And this is what I got. The coastal shrimp with a sweet potato and some corn. So Leon did get his skill saw table, and he got it at a really good deal. He jewed the guy down. Also, he got this piece of equipment. I don't know what it's called. He's tending to the animals. We just got home. Isn't that nice? Wow. You like it, love?
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. So, how much did you get it for, both of them? You talked him down?
He was asking $40 for this, $99 for that. So I got it down to $117 for both of them.
Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I bought from the Academy and from the pawn shop. I bought this Adidas sweatshirt, this Freely sweatshirt. This is another Freely's sweatshirt. It's a jersey material, very soft. And this Columbia sweatshirt. And the best time to buy winter clothes is, I guess, in seasons like this when they're half price and on sale. Got these BCG silky. This is what the bottoms look like jogging pants, but they're not jogging pants. They're the silky kind. And another hat. So now I have a white hat, a gray hat, and a black hat. And last but not least, movies. To add to our collection, of course, I have to sanitize them and wipe them up. But I got the Nativity Story, and it's the journey of a lifetime, a story of all times. I've never seen it, but it's a story of Jesus, I'm sure. Then I got this Felicity, an American Girl adventure. I've never seen this one, but it had a horse on it. This is 16 Bible stories for the whole family. So I got this one. And I actually seen something like this on eBay. They're very expensive, so I thought that I would be interested. Of course, I got Godzilla. I do not even know what this is. I know it's Godzilla, okay? But Kyler loves Godzilla. I will watch this. I think it's going to be okay. Just about dinosaurs, I reckon. And he might like that if it's appropriate. Now, it does say that it is PG-13, so I'm not sure. I saw this on YouTube advertised. I don't know anything about it. It looks like a really good movie. Tears of Joy edition. So, I'm going to try it out and see what it is like. It is rated PG-13 as well, so I'll see. And if none of these are good, then, I'll get rid of them. I was so excited to find the first season of The Little House on the Prairie. It's a 6 DVD set, and it was $1. And this come from the pawn shop. So there are many seasons. This is season 1, and I will be getting the other seasons. I'm eyeballing them on eBay and looking at them on Amazon. This is, of course, the Bill and Gloria Gather. I sing a lot of her songs, and this is a gospel series. I was excited to find that. And this is The Little Princess with Shirley Temple. I have some of her movies. I'm not sure if I have this one. I don't think I do. And so I was excited to find that. I love old things that bring back memories. And so I was happy to find those. Thank you so much for joining us today. We love y'all. And until next time, we'll see you guys on the next video.
God bless.
Bye-bye.